I'm in the garden, up in the apartment, knowing I'm ready to feel your love. Here in my castle, while sipping my peach along, missing the sweetener of your touch. I've been so tired from working a long day, need to unwind. Want you to travel my body the long way, the pleasure is mine. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me. Cause your juicy fruit make you move. I can feel me sticking to your golden sauce. Gets you lost, brings you to your knees like I do. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me. Lay back, I'ma handle that. Give me that. Scratch your back, it's a Venus trap. Make it clap. I want you to come and watch me open like a flower. Lay you on your back and you can see my superpower. Boy, you all over me, rain, shower. Baby, it's just you and me for hours and hours. Babe, bust through you on the way. Babe, bust through you on the way. You ready for this rain? My sugar gonna quench your body, gonna play no games, babe. Babe, bust through you on the way. Babe, bust through you on the way. You ready for this cake? My sugar gonna quench your body, gonna play no games. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me. Cause your juicy fruit make you move. I can feel me sticking to your golden sauce. Gets you lost, brings you to your knees like I do. Once you've had a taste of the honey, wanna see you give it back to me.